What's up, guys? So today I'm just going to take 5 minutes and talk about the benefits of rental real estate. And so to start, real estate is going to be a great investment for anyone's portfolio. It's great because you get a lot of different benefits. So just off the bat, I'll start out with a multifamily real estate example, and then I'll answer some of your guys' questions after this. So to start out, just to give you guys an example of how you can benefit from rental real estate, the first example is, let's say you want to get a 4-unit apartment building that costs $1 million. So what you would usually have to do with an investment property mortgage is put down 20 to 25% of the total value of that apartment building. But the best thing about a 1 through 4 unit apartment building is that you can get it on one single mortgage. And that mortgage can be a residential mortgage. So let's say you want to live in one of the units as your primary residence, and you want to rent out the other 3. You can actually get a mortgage on that apartment building for a lot less than you would normally pay. So instead of putting down that 25%, now all you have to do is put down the 5%. So after you get into the apartment building, what you can do is you can start renting out the other units. Let's say, just for example purposes, your mortgage is around $1,500. If you rent out one of the units for, let's say, $1,000, and another unit for $1,000, and you have one wide open, then you're going to be making $2,000 a month. Your mortgage is only $1,500. So not only are your tenants going to be paying for your mortgage, but you're also going to be making an additional $500 in profit. Let's say you rent out the last unit, and so now you're living in one, and you have the other 3 units rented out. So now you're going to be making $3,000 a month in rental income. If your mortgage is $1,500, you're going to be making a total profit of $1,500 a month, and you're going to be living for free. So I just want to stress that how living in a 4 apartment building while you rent out the other 3 units, you can actually build wealth and have other people pay for your mortgage. And so a lot of people don't understand this, but I'll put it in this terms. Your tenants are going to be paying all of your bills for you. You're going to be living for free, and you're going to have additional income that you do not have to work for just because you own this building. And so I'll get to the second point. Over time, what you can actually do is the more and more equity you're gaining in this home, let's say over the course of 5 to 10 years, your tenants have paid down 75% of the value of that property. What you can do is you can refinance your current mortgage, and you can take some equity out of that current house. So let's say you want to take equity out of that house, let's say another $250,000. What you can do is you can then use that as a down payment on another apartment building, 4-plex apartment building. So now not only do you own a total of 4 units that you live in one, you own a total of 8 units and you only live in one. So yeah, you can see how this can multiply time over time, and the only initial thing that you actually did was put down that initial down payment of 5%. So I want to stress it, I really can't stress this enough. If you actually save up your money, you have an emergency fund ready to go, you're saving for investments, and you want to get into something other than the stock market that's going to give you great value over the long haul, I would definitely say that rental real estate is going to be the thing that you want to do. Not only for the long-term gains that you're going to see with the capital appreciation of the property, but also the cash flow. And we know that cash is king, and so if you're getting that cash flow every single month, it's going to help you become financially fit. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and drop your comments down below. I'll try to answer everything about rental real estate, multifamily investing, and cash flowing passive income. Thanks, guys.